What's up guys, and welcome to the 5th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the for statement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, go here, now put in int I, close it off, get into the for statement. For initialize a value, so we can say I equals 0. The next one is the condition, I is less than or equal to 5, and now your increment value I plus plus. Now for your statement we can say printf, get rid of that, hello there, a new line, semicolon, and now another printf statement. The end of your program. Put a semicolon there, save that. Now we can execute this. Build succeeded, and there you go. Hello there is printed out 1, 2, 3, 6 times. If we put 1 here, we'll get it printed out 5 times. There you go. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.